Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can determine Cohen's age for a one sample situation. So if you have two proportions, and then you can use this effect size measure. So perhaps for after a binomial test or a one sample proportion test. I'll be using Excel and my stikpetE add-in. I have a separate video if you don't want to use the add-in. The add-in is available on my GitHub. You can download it, then open Excel, go for File, Options, Add-ins, and Go. Then click on Browse and then go to the downloaded file. This video will mainly focus on how to determine Cohen's age, not so much if you should use it or how to fully interpret it. For that, please check out my website. Cohen's age is available for the one sample as a function in the stikpetE library as ES effect size and then Cohen age and then OS for one sample. It has three things you can enter. The one you have to, which is the data, that's a range, a vertical range just like here, but then please specify the exact range, so not the entire column. Then you can specify if there are specifically two codes you want to use. Here there are only two, 1 and 2, but if you had a third one, you can say, for example, 1 and 3. Then just list those also vertically and then select that as your codes. P0 is your expected proportion. If you don't enter anything for that, it will simply assume that it's going to be 50-50. The function itself is then simply done by typing in the function name, select the range, and you're done, and it spits out the value for you. There's also a conversion possible with the ES convert from Cohen age one sample to a regular Cohen age. That's something I've done over here. I can actually highlight that. So as a regular Cohen's age, this would be 0.71 rounded. The advantage of converting it is that there are some rules of thumb that can be used for Cohen's regular age. For example, Cohen himself did one. So if you use then the th function for rule of thumb, Cohen, and then the value of Cohen's age, it will simply tell you that according to Cohen, this can be classified as small. Although these rules of thumb can really vary per topic, so be careful on using those. The sources I've used for this are, of course, Cohen's age itself. The page numbers are in there. I'll leave a link to this Excel file below, so in the description below. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.